Hello from Slovenia again. Today I will do a double dip. This is a simple technique that you pour some paint on the... I will use 6 by 6 8 6 by 6 inch wooden boards. You put some paint on, put them together, spread them apart, and you get some nice tree effect. It's an easy project that I'm a grandma, so if you are a grandma, this is a nice thing to do with your grandkids, or if you are a mom with your kids, or dad or granddad. It's not just for women. So it's really nice thing to do with your kids or grandkids to create some nice paintings. And for my background today I will use this pearl white. This is Vallejo pearl medium mixed with a little bit of titanium white and my pouring medium, and I'm using this stir sticks, big stir sticks from Fluid Art Co. They are amazing. You can use them all over. And another thing that it's new, or it will be new in upcoming days, weeks, is TriArt fluid paints. I will use them for the first time. They are fluid paints, they are not fluid pouring paints, but I want to drip some of those fluids just on this white and dip it and see what will happen. They are highly pigmented, so they are meant to, mix with some medium. We, in Fluid Art, in acrylic pouring world, we mix them with pouring medium. I will use them like that too, but I just want to see what will happen. So I have iridescent pale gold, I have cobalt teal, I have ultramarine blue modern, and I have dioxazine violet. So I will pour some of this white on the board. You don't want too much paint, just to cover your board. You can do it on canvases too, but it's a little different effect. The same effect that on wooden boards are on the tiles too. And because we will squeeze them together, paint will spread around, so it's not important to do your base nicely because it will squeeze. I don't know if this is the word. Just another experiment. I like to experiment. Those who know me know already that I just like to play with paint, experiment with different fluid art techniques. And a lot of the projects that I do are projects that you can do with your grandkids, kids too, because they're an easy techniques that you can get some nice effects from them. So I will start with this teal. I shaped them really bad, so bad that I almost not almost, that I have my modern blue all over my clothes. So I will just squeeze a little bit of this teal here. And let's do the gold next. Oop, this one is a little thinner. They're not the same consistency because, you know, this is not pouring paint. It's a fluid paint straight out of the bottle. They're not ready to pour, meant to, but I will use them like that. And we will see what will happen. Maybe it will be total disaster, but I want to try. This gold looks amazing. Kind of like, ooh, this purple looks a little weird. We will see what will happen. Okay, this is all the paint that I will use. I didn't tape the back because I will sand them afterwards. Anyway, you can do it if you want. So don't, for those with OCD, don't be mad at me. I will clean the backs later. Just want to clean my hands a little bit. And now I will put them like that. That paint will flow downwards when I will spread them apart. Okie doke. So since I kind of don't have nice lines, I will squeeze them once more. Oop. Let's see. Up. Yeah, and here are our tree effect. And the paints worked nicely. Maybe I added too much paint because this paint is really highly pigmented, so I probably could use less paint. And I got some lacing from my pearl white. I like it. I like the colors together. Maybe this teal is a little overtaking because it's opaque probably. Teals are normally opaque. Just checking where is opacity. SO. What that mean? SO. Opacity T, transparent. So semi-opaque, semi-opaque, transparent. Transparent. I like the effects a lot. I loosed some gold, and as I said, maybe I did add a little too much paint, but as you can see, you can get some really nice looking kind of trees with these effects, and it's really easy to do even with your kids or grandkids. So I will remove them. and just want to scrape this paint, not scrape, put this paint in one cup that I can use it for some new project. Maybe I can even mix it together and I will get some shiny, because greens, blues, purples, and some gold will not create a muddy color. Shouldn't have. This gold is so beautiful. I'm definitely looking forward to use those colors again. So let's mix that to see what will happen. You see how highly pigmented they are. And I got a nice metallic purple that I can use in some of my projects. See? So shiny and beautiful, like amethyst color. I like it, so don't need to waste your paint. Sometimes some people think that we waste a ton of paint, but we don't. We try to save as much paint as we can and use it for some other projects. So here it is. Some beautiful effects from the pearl white. This one is more, it's softer. It's more like this lacing here from pearl white and some colors. I definitely could use less of those, but you see that they work really well. This lacing here, because the colors on top of my pearl white mixture create beautiful lacing. And it's really easy. If you have, now that your kids are at home, mix some colors with some pouring medium and you can do some projects. Or just have some coasters. I will definitely keep these two, resin them and have them as the coasters. I hope that this video was helpful. If it was, share it, comment it, subscribe. This all helps growing my channel. And stay tuned for new videos about what you can do in the summertime with your kids or grandkids. Bye!